How to create typewriter effect in DaVinci Resolve 20. First, add a new track, then go to Effects, Titles, and then drag and drop text plus title to the new track. Adjust the text length, select the title and write the text you want. Customize the text how you want. Move the playhead at the start. Go to text plus title settings and scroll down to this part where it says write on. Add a keyframe, clicking this. Move this end position to the start. Move the playhead where you want the text to appear fully. Then add new keyframe and move this end to the right so the text will appear fully. And now we can look the end result.